You really are trying to bite that stick. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bite it. Get it. Rip it. Sometimes you gotta get that nap. Knocked out. Sometimes it's just like that. It's rough out here in these streets. Gotta get that nap on. We're gonna do another measurement to see how much we got here. Ooh, it's close to 3 inches. So right now, I'm trying to put together this printer for the children so we can be able to print stuff out better than the old printer went out. But in today's video, we are going to see the next snowstorm that is coming here. So let me get to work on this HP Envy here. And we're going to wait for the snow that's on the way. You got a doubter in the room, you know who it is, but the snow is coming. Chloe is here to inspect to make sure the printing goes well. And yep, it has. It printed out. Oh, you like that little light there. It printed out. I got that all set up. I am good to go. Sometimes you gotta get that nap. Knocked out. Sometimes it's just like that. It's rough out here in these streets. Gotta get that nap on. So y'all, I got a report that in certain parts of Maryland it's starting to snow, but where I'm at right now, you can hear a little bit, but I don't see anything really. Oh, well, there's a little bit coming down now. So if you look at the lights, you can see just a little bit there coming down. So it looks like we are going to get this snow. Look at that, it is coming down. Ooh. Ho, 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 ho. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Beautiful. You gotta be really safe driving in snow, and that's what I'm really trying to do here. A while back when I was younger, my father got in a really bad accident in the snow, so I've been pretty much safe ever since that. That taught me just take your time. It is definitely snowing out here. I am taking my time. I'm not rushing because I don't want to be slipping and sliding, but this is what the roads look like, so I think the kids are definitely going to be off from school tomorrow. And that's a message to my son. He just texted me earlier and was like, where's the snow? So here it is, my brother, right here. As you can see, Lily has this much snow on her. Now some of that I cleaned off, but I couldn't get all of it. So wow, look at that. That is gonna be more by the morning because there's more. So the snow is, well, it's actually still going, but let's see how much we really got here. I think we got ourselves about an inch right now, so probably gonna get like, they said like 2 to 3 inches, no, 3 to 6 inches, so we're only at an inch. Look at this beautiful morning of snow. So beautiful. All right, Chloe, come on back in. Yep, this is how it is. And guess who's off from school? What did I tell you? We're gonna do another measurement to see how much we got here. Ooh, it's close to 3 inches right now. Remember, it was an inch last night. So now we're up at almost 3 inches, about 2.75. Come on. Chloe, you ain't gonna get up there. You just eating snow. That's what you doing. You eating it. Whoa. Following the tracks of the deer. Don't mess up the tracks. Ooh. Where did they go?
I'm just here for this dog.
It's over there. Ooh, my gosh. Woo. Oops. This is a leaf pile. That's why. Where you going? Where you going? Hey! 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 Lazy dog actually doing something. Ah, yes, she is. She's sitting there just eating away. You really are trying to bite that stick. Woo, woo, whoa. Bite it. Get it. Rip it. That's the flesh of the leg. If you biting the leg, you should kick it. Now we're at Walmart because we got to pick up stuff for the kids. Valentine's Day for school, so.
Hey, why are you filming?
Why am I filming? Because we're in MillerFlow vlog.
You don't have the right to be filming.
I have the right. You don't have the right to wear a mask. I've been sleeping on Walmart, and they had stuff for the Valentine's for the kids all in here. What is that? Oh, that haircut too.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's just one bag. You need one? You need 12 bags? How big are the bags supposed to be?
Not that big, you know? That's crazy.
Okay, well, you gotta find those. We're off here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna measure our final measure. Some of the snow melted, and it is, as you heard, it is 1 inch. I think that's because it just melted. But thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next time and next storm.